Good morning. Before you touch your phone. Before you scroll Instagram. Before you say a single word in your mother tongue. Let me tell you something important. If you control your morning, you can control your English. Because the way you start your day decides how confidently you speak English. In this video, I will show you a powerful morning routine that successful English speakers follow. A routine that can change your English in just 30 to 45 minutes every morning. No pressure. No boring grammar. Only real results. Let's begin. Tip 1. Wake up and activate your English brain, first 5 minutes. The moment you wake up, your brain is fresh, silent, and highly powerful. This is the best time to train English. But most people waste it by scrolling their phone. Instead, do this. As soon as you wake up, talk to yourself in English. Simple sentences only. Examples. I am awake now. Today is a new day. I feel fresh and positive. I will improve my English today. This activates your English thinking mode. Rule: crossmark no translation. Crossmark no grammar thinking. White heavy checkmark only simple English thoughts. Just 5 minutes can change your entire day. Tip 2. Morning mirror practice, 10 minutes. This is one of the most powerful habits. Stand in front of the mirror. Look into your eyes. And speak English out loud. Why mirror practice? Because it builds confidence, improves fluency, removes hesitation, trains facial expressions. What to speak? Talk about your plans, your goals, your feelings. Example. Good morning. Today I will focus on my growth. I am improving my English step by step. I may make mistakes, but I am confident. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. This trains your speaking muscle, not your memory. Tip 3. Morning shadowing walk, 10 to 15 minutes. Now comes the fluency booster. Go for a morning walk or light exercise. Put your earphones on. Play simple English audio, daily conversations, short stories, English speaking practice. Now do shadowing. That means listen and repeat immediately. No pause. No stopping. Just repeat like an echo. Example, audio, how was your day? You, how was your day? This improves pronunciation, speed, natural flow, confidence. Morning is perfect for shadowing because your mind is relaxed. Just 10 minutes daily equals massive improvement in 30 days. Tip 4. Morning sentence building, 10 minutes. Do not start your day with grammar rules. Instead, build daily use sentences. Choose one situation every morning. Morning routine. Office. Travel. Phone calls. Daily life. Example, morning routine sentences. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready for work. I am having my breakfast. I need to leave early today. Say each sentence twice or 3 times. This creates automatic speaking ability. Remember, fluent English equals ready sentences in your mind. Tip 5. Think in English while doing morning tasks. This is a hidden secret. While doing daily tasks, bathing, dressing, making tea, eating breakfast. Describe actions in English inside your head. Examples. The water is cold. I am choosing my clothes. This tea tastes good. No one hears you. No pressure. Only practice. This converts English into a habit, not a subject. Tip 6. Morning vocabulary, but smart way, 5 minutes. Do not memorize random words. Learn useful morning words and phrases. Example, refresh. Energized. Productive. Focused. Schedule. Make sentences immediately. I feel energized today. I need a productive morning. One word, one sentence, repeat aloud. That's it. Powerful morning mindset, very important. Say this every morning. I don't need perfect English. I need confident English. I will speak, even with mistakes. Fear disappears when English becomes routine. Strong conclusion. If you want better English, don't wait for night. Start in the morning. Because winners train their mind before the world distracts them. Just 30 to 45 minutes every morning. Thinking, speaking, shadowing, repeating. Do this daily. And one day, people will ask you, how did your English become so fluent? And you'll smile. Because it all started one morning.